Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick video showing you how to clean your new ear piercings. This is how you can clean both your lobes and your cartilage. You're going to need some Q-tips or cotton swabs and also some saline solution. This came in a pack of 2 at Target for less than $4, and cotton swabs are like $2-3. So what you're going to do is make sure you wash your hands first with antibacterial soap. This makes sure that there's no bacteria in your ears and you don't have any bad chemicals or things on your hand. Now after you wash your hands, you're going to take your saline solution. You can pour it in a cup, or I just like to take it and put some right here on my cotton swab. Once you have on your cotton swab, you're going to put it by your ear piercing and kind of do a little twist on all the sides. Your goal is to get saline solution inside the piercing to kind of like help it clean it out. So then once you do it on one side, you're going to flip the cotton swab over, or you can get a new one, and go in the back. And you still just do a little twist on each side, just like that. Now you're going to do the same thing for your helix piercing. If you have a helix piercing, you're going to put some of the solution on it, and just kind of like twist it in up here in this curve, and then down here, kind of like a little bit around. It's kind of harder to get it in this one, since it's kind of like tucked in your ear. And then you're just going to do the exact same thing to the back. Do that on all your ears. My piercer suggested doing it 2 times a day for the first week, 1 time a day for the second week, and kind of just like taper off from there, but don't clean it after the 4 weeks. I'm not sure why, but that's just what he suggested. So these piercings are 5 days old right now, and I've been doing this every day for two times a day. So hopefully that helps. I can do more piercing videos. This is how you clean your ears piercings with Q-tips and saline solution. See you later.